Hey there, my name is Kelly Dell with OffTheBeadedPathBeadStore.com. 2024 has come and is quickly leaving us as 2025 knocks on the door. And at the end of every year, I like to come on and number one, I like to just say thank you. Thank you for taking the time to watch my videos or to download patterns for the website or supporting me by purchasing product or patterns on the website. It's because of great supporters like you that I'm able to continue to create content and run my bead store. So I'm very, very, very grateful for you. I also like to create a handout every year that is a year in review handout. So that handout, you can find it right now at offthebeadedpathbeadstore.com. It's completely for free. And what it is it lists in order every video that I uploaded onto YouTube this year, whether it was a recorded video or a live video. And the great thing this year about the content on that little downloadable sheet is there's a little thumbnail. It's a web content thumbnail, and the thumbnail looks exactly like the thumbnail that you would see on YouTube. And that is a clickable thumbnail, which means if you are on a computer or a tablet, you should be able to click on that thumbnail and it will take you directly to YouTube to that video. If the video had a pattern that went with it or an information sheet that went with it, I've also made clickable links for those links as well. So that way, again, you just click on it and it will take you directly to that pattern or video. If you have issues with trying to click that, you can also just copy and paste that into your browser search bar and it will pull that up for you as well. So again, it lists all of them in order from the very 1st of January all the way to the last video I came out with around the middle of December. So I do hope you'll go and download that, and so that way you can have it for future reference and see if you missed any of the videos. But again, I just wanted to say thank you. I hope that you have a very happy new year, and I hope that when I come back in January that I will be able to create content for you guys that will help you learn and grow as a beader in 2025. So happy new year, and we will see you again soon. Bye-bye.